Hi everybody, it is Sunday and I'm kicking off my outfit of the day. Went to the gym, had a 7 o'clock class, took care of the bunny before I actually left. Came home, ate my breakfast, took my shower. Here I am. What am I doing today? Well, we're actually going to visit my mother-in-law, and my husband's cousins are coming down to pay her a visit. So it's kind of a mini family reunion, and we're going to go out to like a brunch together. So what am I wearing for this occasion? I am wearing this RD style, I guess trench inspired blazer that I got from a Stitch Fix. It was actually something on my wish list my stylist was able to send to me. Does it have pockets? Yes, it has pockets here on the side. It's a wrap style. I'll take it off so you can see the top I am wearing underneath, because it is a cute top I'm wearing underneath. It's being covered up. And it's covered up because it's kind of cold today, about 50 degrees. So I'm also wearing a top that I got from Stitch Fix. This top is a short sleeve sweater. I'm gonna come closer so you can see the detail. Aren't these sleeves cute? It's by Les Serene. It has the V-neck also, which I like. I'll be honest with you, I'm not fond of this fabric. It's very like a nylon scratchy feeling, but once it's on my skin, I'm okay. It doesn't bother me or itch me or scratch me. I don't even realize it's there, but I do like the style of the sweater. It's very much me with the open neckline and the little poofy sleeves. And it's like ribbed in front and the sleeves are like pointelle. With it, I have paired a pair of dark wash straight leg jeans that I got from Fashion probably a couple of years ago. Like these jeans a lot. They just fit me well and I find them very comfortable. And I paired on my leopard belt from Express and my leopard shoes also from Stitch Fix. And yes, this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Monday. Went to the gym, it was an easy class, strength class. Came home, took care of the bunny, had my breakfast, took my shower. Here I am, and it is only 7:25. What an easy day I have today. It was also a shortened gym workout. Lifting classes tend to be 50 minutes versus an hour, so that's why I have a few extra minutes this morning. So I forgot to mention yesterday's outfit was kind of inspired by Laura of Little Box of Happy, okay? She was demonstrating a belt that she had gotten from Amazon that was leopard print, and it just reminded me I hadn't worn my leopard print belt in a while, so I decided to she was showing it with a pair of dark wash jeans and a white top. And yeah, that's what I did. I kind of copied her. It was kind of like, well, I have this in my wardrobe. I haven't worn it in a while. Let me wear it. And today's outfit was inspired by another YouTuber, Anna Reed. She said polka dots are in style. So again, I said, gee, I have polka dots and it's been a while since I wore this outfit. And even though I've worn this outfit for you guys in the past, it's been a while since then. So I said, okay, polka dots are in. Let's pull out this polka dot short sleeve top that I got from Express many years ago, probably like 2019. With it, I have paired this Tommy Hilfiger, I think it's Tommy Hilfiger, little red blazer, like that has military style buttons. And this is knit, and I got this from Macy's years ago on sale. And I still periodically see these at Macy's in navy, not red. And I also see them in Marshalls. So if you are, liking this style, start digging. This style is still out there. With it, I paired my distressed Vigos jeans. I like wearing something a little bit more formal on the top, something extremely casual on the bottom, so I don't feel like I'm going to the office, but I feel kind of like a little bit more edgy. And with it, I put together my red pumps. They're by Lifestride. If you cannot wear pumps anymore and you have an occasion where you need to wear pumps, maybe a wedding or something like that, I highly recommend this brand. Extremely comfortable. Lifestride. I got these at Macy's. And yeah, they're very wearable and I think they're kind of fun. And yeah, this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hello everybody, it is Tuesday and I'm a little late to work, but I'm just in a slow mood today. I didn't go to the gym, took it easy, stayed in bed a little bit, and then I took care of the bunny, showered, ate some breakfast, didn't finish it, and then I did my Stitch Fix. So I just finished filming my Stitch Fix, very exciting box. Okay, enough of that. What am I wearing today? Because I gotta go to work. For first, I'm wearing this Prosperity denim jacket that I did get through a Stitch Fix. Super soft denim and lightweight, very comfortable and somewhat stretchy. Not very stretchy, but somewhat stretchy. Much lighter weight than like the Liverpool jackets. I love this jacket. All right, underneath I have paired something that I probably got circa 2018. It is sleeveless. It does have the zip back, and I believe it's Market and Spruce. It's definitely a Stitch Fix in-house brand, whether it's 41 Hawthorne or Market and Spruce. Let me take out the bottom so you can actually see it. It has like this crisscross thing with the stripes, which I think makes it look very flattering at the waist. However, because I'm short, I don't care for the way how it hits on the widest part of my hips, so I give it a little front tuck so it's not hitting at my widest part. On the bottom, I have a pair of Liverpool pants that I got from a Front Door Fashion. Love these pants, love the fit of them. Liverpool in general fits me very well, and I love these pants so much, I might ask my stylist if she can send another pair in like a lighter color, like a tan or stone color. Really love these. They're just a classic flat front chino in this light olive green. And with it, I have paired my Chanel-inspired shoes. They're by Anne Klein. They have a block heel and a sling back and a little pointed toe. And yes, this is my outfit for today from working from home. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hello everyone, it's a gloomy, rainy day today, so hence my hi-hats and the yellowish background. So today I went to the gym, fed the bunny, took my shower, here I am. This outfit was inspired by two YouTubers. The first one being Anna Reed, who said polka dots are in style. So I said, you know, it's been a while since I've worn my polka dot tops. So I started pulling them out. And then I started thinking, okay, what do I wear with this one? And this one, it was inspired by Jamie in Your Guide to Style with the dark top with the white bottoms. She showed this in one of her videos and I do like the contrast. So I figured let's go with that. So the top, let me come a little bit closer. This is actually a reversible top. It's solid black on one side and then this polka dot on the other. It's sleeveless from White House Black Market many years ago. They have a lot of reversible tops and dresses at White House Black Market. I would probably say almost one with every line they produce. With it, I have paired just a basic black loft cardigan to keep my little arms warm. And I've paired them with my White House Black Market bootleg jeans and my black Dolce Vita slides. Now, I think I might have to bring these jeans to get tailored because even with my heels, I think they're a tad too long. So yeah, but this is my outfit for today. Oh, and belt is ancient years old at White House Black Market as well. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Thursday and went to the gym, came home, took care of the bunny, ate my breakfast, showered, here I am. The gym surprised me today. So last couple nights I've been going to sleep really early. I've been tired, like before 8 o'clock, like out like a light, and then just basically been getting up like maybe once or twice a night to use the bathroom, and then around 3:30 I'm pretty much done, and I have to be up by 4:15 anyway. So yeah, it's been great. Sleep has been beautiful. It's been a while since I've been able to get some good sleep, and I think I've been catching up this past week. And I was a little bit shocked because usually I read on Reddit the night before what the workout was, and they didn't have it posted yet before I went to bed. And I thought I was reading the intelligence, because sometimes they can predict what workouts duplicate, and I thought I was reading the correct intelligence. But when I got there, I found out I was in for something different, and it was completely a 30-minute run block, no breaks at all. So yeah, I ran my little heart out, pretty tired. All right, what am I wearing today? So it got cooler out, and we're only going to be a high of 60. So I thought, let me bring out these thin spring sweaters. This is a loft sweater, I think last year or the year before. It is a dark navy blue, and it has some turquoise, a little orange. I think it's kind of like a sporty style. Obviously, a rib knit, but it's thin and lightweight and will keep me warm. I paired it with my cargo jeans from White House Black Market, and I actually put on a pair of sneakers today. I'm just not feeling like getting dressed up that much today. Keeping it casual, and yeah, I had this outfit kind of picked out actually last week. I typically do my outfits a week in advance. I get excited about wearing some clothes, and when I saw the weather was going down today, I said, you know what, if it's going down, let me wear this sweater once again before the season's over, and I won't pull it out again until fall. So yeah, this is my outfit for today, and take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is finally Friday. Went to the gym, came home, took care of the bunny, took my shower, went to my nutritionist, came back, and I'm almost done with my breakfast. Now, if you hear a beep, that is my peppers reheating in the microwave. So what am I wearing today? Well, I was feeling extra skinny today, so I decided to wear this outfit. This is a gray saltwater luxe sweater that my wonderful stylist Shannon sent to me in my Stitch Fix a long time ago, probably about a year and a half ago. It's really cute because it has the open tie back, balloon sleeves, and with it I paired my mother straight leg jeans that I also got from Stitch Fix. Great deal on them due to credits, thanks to you. And I'm also wearing my Pel Moda, I believe is the name brand shoe that I think I either got at Nordstrom or Nordstrom Rack. They're a little wedge and they have like a strap here around the ankle. And this is my outfit for today. Oh, and yes, I know you shouldn't wear skinny tops with skinny bottoms and you should have more balance and all that other nonsense, but I felt like wearing this and I wear what I like. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Saturday and I'm in my final outfit of the day for this week until next week. So what am I up to? What am I wearing today? So went to the gym, fed the bunny, took care of him before I went to the gym. Went to the gym, went food shopping, came home, did my meal prep, jumped in the shower, waiting for my stuff to come out of the oven, and got dressed. So what am I wearing? What am I doing today? It is now 10 o'clock or 10 after 10. I have to wait for my stuff to come out of the oven and then I have to run to the post office. And after the post office, my sister's coming here and we're taking her out to a belated birthday lunch at the Cheesecake Factory. So what am I wearing today? I am wearing my new Liverpool jacket. I'll come closer. It's striped. It is a denim jacket if you are interested in the typical Liverpool denim jacket style. However, the back is adorable. It's like got a peplum back and a cinched in waist. I love this style. Underneath, I have a design history t-shirt. So it's just a basic tee, but we got some fun sleeves here with the eyelet sleeves. So it's not quite a short sleeve and it's almost an elbow on me. And with it, I decide to pair my Liverpool dark washed midi skirt and my Vince Camuto red wedges. And the red wedges are probably circa 2018. And the denim skirt I got end of 2023, I believe, from a Front Door Fashion. And yeah, this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you next week for another week of styling.